Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Jesse's Timber Revival. Today I'm going to be showing you how I sharpen my bandsaw blades so that I can save a bit of money. So yeah, stick around. So the reason I do this is because even though it takes a really long time to sharpen your bandsaw blades and stuff, it saves you these are like $30 each blade, and if each time they get dull, I'm gonna be spending probably like $30 every 2 weeks or something, depending on how much I use it, but on my bandsaw. So by taking like 20 minutes and sharpening it, that saved me $30 for my time. But yeah, so I'm just gonna bring you guys up here, show you. So for this I use just a chainsaw file, but I just pick a file out that will fit in the groove of the blade. So see this one here, it fits quite good. We'll see if we can get a better angle for you guys. You see here, fits almost perfect into the, well, basically perfect into the groove of the blade there. But you guys will also see here, you might be able to see that every tooth is going a different direction. So you see this guy here, this tooth right here goes that direction, but then the next tooth goes this direction, and it just alternates which side of the tooth or which way it goes. So what you want to do there, see this guy's going this way. To sharpen it, all you do is have you just have the file at a straight 90 degrees, and then you're just gonna go like that. Just do 2 passes like that. Then I'll go to the next tooth because it's going the other way. I'm gonna sharpen it like this. Next tooth. Just 2 passes is typically good enough just to give her a quick sharpen. But I usually like to mark where I start so then I can go through them all. But yeah, so by doing that, you're gonna go and be able to sharpen this up and save some money for you. Keep some money in your pocket. But yeah, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe.